Hello, Wolverines. As you do your argumentative essays in your ELA classes, you'll be looking for databases that help you research viewpoints, things that people argue about. So, one of the ones I want to show you is Gale in Context Opposing Viewpoints. When you click on it, it will open to this page. And from this page, you can search if you already have an idea of what you would like to do your writing about, if you want to look up a specific topic. If you want to browse and just get ideas, you can go by different categories, or you can go to the browse button for all 472 of these things, and there are lots and lots and lots of things you can look up. I'm going to click on drunk driving. And when I do that, it takes me to this drunk driving page, which gives me a brief introduction. And then below that, it has different categories of information I can look at. For instance, if I want pictures or videos or audio clips, those would be that would be where I click. Viewpoints just means like different articles. News would be newspaper articles and such. So, and you can find all those down below. If you click on read more, it will take you to the drunk driving actual page. One of the first things I recommend you doing is moving from the 1490L to 1100L. This is the reading level, and so 1100 is a little bit easier than 1490. So, as you are looking through this, you see the very first part. It has fast facts, which would be a great way for you to get an introduction to this and see if it's what you're looking for. And then it's got a longer article about, the history of this topic, when it became an issue and all that. Now, some other things you might like to know. We've got our translate button here. If you click on it, you can translate this article into another language if you need to. You've got this button, which allows you to have the article read out loud to you for those of you that it's easier for you to do that. You've got your font size increase, decrease, and you've got some display options here. All of those are to make it easier for you to use this database. Here, if you send it to Google Drive, it will save the article. So if you want to come back to this, instead of having to try to find it, it will be in your drive. Here you can email it to yourself if you need to, but if you put it in your drive, that'd probably be better. And you can download it. So if you wanted to download it and maybe print it out, you could do those two here. All right. Now, one more thing you might like to know is there at the top, you've also got this where you can send it to your Google Drive. So it's like a second way to do that, download and print. You can get the link if you want to send this to a partner. If you're working with a friend or a partner on an assignment, you can do that. And here's the citation, which we will be going over more in 8th grade.